One of them's kind of rot. This one's perfect though. I'll finally get into one of these things. But this did not come from out here. I just brought it out here because it'd be a fun place to open it up. Now is it, can you see anything?
Yep, now I do.
Is it counting? Yeah, it's recording. Alright, so this is elephant apple. I have never been in one of these things. From what I understand, the petals on the outside of the flower are like big swelled up apple rind. And there should be kind of a mandala, strange, gooey fruit on the inside. I'm going to try and pry a leaf or two off of this, and then I'll probably cut the rest. I don't know, we'll see. I've never even tried to break it before. It is very thick. I see why they just kind of cut through. You know, the ones that showed the Thai videos showed them just cutting it, so just cut it off. Very, very thick. I think they do pickles with this, and they also do like the classic Southeast Asian chili powder, salted chili powder and lime or something like that. It smells like an apple though, I'll tell you that. Oh, I hit some of the inside. There we go. I pick up a very creosote-y kind of like vacuum band burning kind of smell. Let's see. Kind of astringent, kind of bitter. Reminds me of crab apples. You ever had crab apples like in the Northwest? Or little gnarly canning apples, pickling apples. Oh, that's tart as hell. A little bit of a fruity flavor, but bitter too. Ah. Apparently they say pigs and other animals love this, and elephants in specific are supposed to be the ones that distribute these seeds via their poop. So there's supposed to be some little brown seeds in here around the gelatinous core on the inside. And, you know, maybe just going through the middle here would be smart. You're supposed to be able to see the mandala of this thing, but I don't know the shape of the seeds. I couldn't find the pictures online. Very tough. Oh, weird. Oh, it is very snotty. Look at this snot coming off of that. I don't know how excited I am to put that in my mouth necessarily. Let's see if we can discover anything that looks like a seed in there though. These little inside bits, maybe, I don't know. And then of course, you know, we're on Kauai, so who knows? I don't really know if there's multiple species or if this would have been pollinated correctly, necessarily. Yeah, I don't see anything that just screams seed to me. Maybe that's a seed. That thing could be a seed. It kind of makes sense. Those little things, perhaps. Those, yeah, that could be the seed. I say that they like rocky riverbanks, and that's kind of exactly where we are. So I don't know if these things end up growing here. It'll probably be our fault. I think they're kind of god-awful, honestly. I think some of the reviews were way overrated. But we got one more of these we'll try, so at least it's not just one shot at it. But now this stuff is very tough, kind of like apple-like, very tough, tart, tangy, sour, astringent, and bitter. Blah. I don't know that salt would help that much. If you were starving, I'd probably choose noni. Anyway, that's the elephant apple for you.